the main important kings we are going to study, that is Harihara and Bukka, Devaraya II, Prauda Devaraya, and Saluva dynasty and Tuluva dynasty in today's session. Let us go to the depth of this lesson by having some important pictures about the kings and also the kingdoms. Hello, good morning dear students. Today let us go to the Vijayanagara Empire. Vijayanagara Empire was founded in 1336 CE on the southern bank of Tungabhadra river by the sons of Sangama called Harihara, Bukkaraya, Kampana, Marappa and Muttappa. Hampi of Ballari district was their capital and their national emblem was boar, that is Varaha. You can see the emblem of boar, that is Varaha here. During 1336 to 1646 CE, Vijayanagara Empire was ruled by the four dynasties called Sangama dynasty, Saluva dynasty, and then Tuluva dynasty and Aravidu dynasty. Now let us go to the Sangama dynasty from 1336 to 1485 CE. Harihara and Bukka. Harihara was the king of this dynasty, first king. He took control over the regions of Tungabhadra river and he took control over the regions of Tungabhadra river. He extended his empire to Konkana coastal areas of the west, to Nellore and Kadapa of east, to the Krishna river of the north and Kaveri river of the south. Like this, he laid a strong foundation of his empire. Bukkaraya 1357 to 1377 CE, brother of Harihara, took over the power after his death because Harihara had no son. During his rule, his son Kampana expanded the empire by defeating the Sultan of Madurai. This was explained in a book called Madhura Vijayam. So, this was explained in a book called Madhura Vijayam, which was written by Kampana's queen Ganga Devi. Bukka captured Penkonda by defeating Reddys of Kondavidu and included it to Vijayanagara Empire. Shravanabelagoda inscription of 1368 CE explains that he pacified the conflict between Jains and Vaishnavas and maintained religious harmony and equality. After Bukkaraya, Harihara II, Bukkaraya II, Virupaksha II, Devaraya I, Veera Vijaya Raya ruled Vijayanagara Empire. Now let us go to the Devaraya II. Let us know about Devaraya II. Prauda Devaraya he is also called. He was a famous king of Sangama dynasty and his period was very significant in the Vijayanagara dynasty. After he took over the power, he built a new army including Muslim soldiers who were killed in archery and horse taming. With the help of this army, he defeated Reddy leaders of Kondavidu region. He defended famous Mudugal fort, Raichur and Bankapura by fighting with Ahmad Shah of Bahmani sultans. His brave commander called Lakkana Dandesha defeated the kings of Kerala and Sri Lanka and collected treasure and tribute in cash from them. Prauda Devaraya, who had religious tolerance, built Jain and Vaishnava temple in the capital and he permitted to build mosque also. Telugu poet Srinatha, Sanskrit philosopher Dindima and Kannada poet and the minister Lakkana Dandesh were patronized in his kingdom. Veerashaivism got resurrected in this period. Persian ambassador Abdul Razak visited Vijayanagara kingdom during Prauda Devaraya period and stated, I have seen such a rich kingdom like Vijayanagara kingdom for the first time. The capital has 7 forts and the Raja's army has lack of soldiers. That is, lakhs of soldiers. He had the titles like Gaja Bentegara, Chatu Samudradishwara, Ariraya Vibhada. After his death in 1446 CE, his son Mallikarjuna and then Virupaksha III ruled Vijayanagara Empire. These were very weak rulers, and because of this, a strong commander Saluva Narasimha captured the capital. With this incident, the rule of Sangama dynasty ended in 1485 CE. Next comes the Saluva dynasty from 1485 to 1505 CE. After taking over the power in 1485 CE, Saluva Narasimha ruled for 6 years and died in 1491 CE. His children were minors when he died, and because of this kingdom was in protection of a commander called Tuluva Narasanayaka from 1491 to 1503 CE. Next is Tuluva dynasty 1505 to 1567 CE. In 1505 CE, Veera Narasimha, son of Tuluva Narasanayaka, started the rule of Tuluva dynasty. After his death in 1509, his brother Krishnadevaraya came to power. So these are the important pictures and also the explanation of the Sangama dynasty about Harihara and Bukka, Devaraya II, Praudadevaraya, Saluva dynasty and Tuluva dynasty. Dear children, let us go to the that is about Krishnadevaraya tomorrow. That is in next session. Thank you for watching this video.